Hey there, I'm Ruby Reyes, and yes, it's totally possible to make money from Snapchat in 2025. But I'm not just going to tell you that it's possible. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, the requirements you need to meet, and all the shortcuts and secret methods that top creators are using to maximize their earnings. And I won't stop there. By the end of this video, I'll even share real earnings proof so you can see the actual potential. Now, you might be wondering, Ruby, how do I know I can trust your advice? Well, I've spent the last 2 years studying how to monetize social media platforms and have helped countless creators unlock their earning potential. I've also worked closely with successful creators like my friend Bennett, who's grown to over 350,000 followers on Snapchat alone and over 1 million followers across all platforms. He's even got a YouTube play button for his faceless channels. So let's dive into how you can actually start making money on Snapchat. First things first, before you can even think about meeting Snapchat's monetization requirements, you need to get a Snapchat star. This is that little star icon next to your name that shows you're a verified creator. Without this star, you won't be able to monetize your account no matter what you do. The official way to get a Snapchat star is through Snapchat's verification form. I'll leave the link in the description, but basically you fill out this form and Snapchat reviews it to see if you qualify. They're looking for public figures or creators who bring engaging content to the platform. If you don't post videos showing your face or have some kind of recognizable persona, it's going to be tough. But here's the insider secret. Almost nobody gets their Snapchat star through the official form. Most creators get it through someone who knows a Snapchat representative. My friend Bennett connected with someone who helped him get his Snapchat star, and I can put you in touch with the same person. They typically look for face creators with at least 100k followers on Snap or significant followings on other platforms. I'll leave their Discord info in the description, or you can DM me on Instagram if you don't use Discord. If you're not at 100k followers yet, don't worry. Let me show you the fastest way to grow your Snapchat following. The quickest path to monetization is through Snapchat Spotlights. This is the tab all the way to the right. It's basically Snapchat's version of TikTok, where you can scroll through short-form videos. By posting consistently to Spotlights, you can grow your following incredibly quickly. But here's the game changer. You don't have to manually create content specifically for Snapchat. I use a tool called Repurposed.io, link in the description, that automatically takes content from other platforms like TikTok and publishes it to Snapchat. With Repurposed.io, you can connect all your social media accounts in one place and set up automations between them. It can take all your TikTok videos and automatically publish them to Snapchat Spotlights. You can even schedule your existing content to post at specific times and frequencies, like 3 posts per day, to maximize your growth. This strategy is incredibly effective. My friend Bennett used this exact method to grow to 350k followers on Snapchat without having to create any new content specifically for the platform. Once you've got your Snapchat star, you'll need to hit these thresholds to qualify for monetization: 50,000 followers, plus one of the following in the last 28 days, 10 million Snap views, 1 million Spotlight views, easiest option, 12,000 hours of watch time. You'll also need to post at least 25 times per month to Spotlight. Post to either Spotlight or public stories on at least 10 of the last 28 days. Be at least 18 years old. Be from an eligible country. I'll include the list in the description. Once you hit these requirements, you'll be enrolled in Snapchat's unified payout program, which means you'll earn from both stories and Spotlights. Understanding stories versus Spotlights. Let me quickly explain the difference between stories and Spotlights, as this is crucial for your monetization strategy. Stories are what you see when you swipe right once from the camera screen. These are the collections of photos and videos that people post about their daily lives. They appear as circles at the top of your friend's feed. Spotlights are what you see when you swipe right twice. This is the TikTok-style feed of short videos. You can make money from both, but stories typically generate more revenue for creators. Let's say you post 16 photos in a single day as part of your story. Between every few slides, Snapchat will insert an ad. Maybe after the first 5 slides, there's an ad, then after another 4 slides, another ad, and so on. The key is getting people to view your entire story so they see all these ads. This is why you want to make your last photo in the story sequence super clickbaity. It becomes the thumbnail that appears in the stories section. Then, you need to keep viewers engaged throughout your story so they don't drop off before seeing multiple ads. The more ads a viewer sees, the more money you make. This is the game that top Snapchat creators are playing. Spotlights work similarly. As users scroll through the feed, they'll occasionally see ads. The creators whose content appears closest to these ads receive a share of the ad revenue. As promised, let me show you some real earnings data. On Snapchat, earnings are measured in crystals, with 1 crystal equaling 10 cents. Looking at some recent data from my friend Bennett's account, a story that received about 160,000 views across 7 slides generated 126 crystals, which is 12,060 cents. Breaking this down, that's approximately 8 cents per 1,000 views. On different days, it varies slightly, but the average RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, hovers around 10 cents per 1,000 views. This might not sound like much at first, but think about it. If you get 1 million views on your story, that's about $100 per day. And reaching 1 million views isn't as difficult as it sounds, because those views are spread across all your story slides. If you post 60 slides in a day, you only need about 16,000 views per slide to hit that million view mark. For someone consistently posting content across multiple platforms, this is absolutely achievable and can provide a fantastic supplementary income of around $3,000 per month. I hope this video has given you a clear roadmap to earning money on Snapchat in 2025. Unlike other creators who might gatekeep this information, I believe in transparency and helping everyone succeed in the digital space. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and follow along as I document my journey to $100 a day on Snapchat. I'll be sharing all my strategies, successes, and even failures along the way. Drop a comment below with any questions and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.